Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy a blue verification tick on Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, open Twitter. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Select Twitter Blue from the menu. Follow the in-app purchase instructions. The ability to buy a blue verification mark on Twitter is currently limited to users in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. After subscribing to the service, the blue verification checkmark will show automatically without any ID verification required. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.